Okay, so today I'm trying to get my tires right. Now I found this chassis identification data, and it does say tires at 80 psi cold for the front and 65 for the back. That's crazy. But this one over here, which had a leak there, obviously, you can still see it. It says 90 psi cold for the front and 90 psi cold for the back. So I think I'm going to try to adjust it to that. All right, so I broke out my compressor. It's 150 psi, so hopefully it will do the job. So let's get it running and get it all pressurized up. So this tire's right around 82. All right, well, I got this one to 90. Was able to do it through the flow-through sensor valve there. I'm not too impressed with this thing. This tip, I have to fiddle with it before air will start going in, so that was the problem. So I'm gonna go around and do the other front. So I have my passenger tire at 90 and my front driver's side at 90. So now to work on the back. Well, these are definitely going to be harder. These sensors are way back in here, so I got to figure out how to do it. All right, so I was having a hard time. That flexible hose was just not working, so I went and bought one of these, and wow, what a world of difference. I don't have to take off the flow-through valves now. I was having to do that with the other one. So I've got all the tires pumped up to 90. And we'll go check the EEZ tire TPMS and see what it says. Okay, so I got one inner tire. They're all running 90. I got one that's 91. But this one is 89.